Hi everyone, Kim Watson here today with a new process video for Hip Kit Club where I'll be showing you how to use loads of stickers and a great mixed media background. Taking some acrylic gel medium and an old credit card which I cut into two, making it more manageable for what I'm doing. I merely smushed it all over the background paper, which incidentally is a great piece of cold press watercolor paper which came in our October 2017 kits. All I'm doing is just smoothing a thin layer all over the background, which creates the perfect base when using quite a lot of wet medium. A quick blast with the heat gun dries that up really nicely. Now I'm going to work on the second stage of this background where I want to add a few really subtle star shapes, but using them as like a negative template, so that once I use spray inks, etc., and remove the stars, it'll leave a really nice, very subtle star pattern. Ordinary punches can do the trick, or if you have metal dies or anything like that, just a variety of star shapes are perfect to create this background. Now, taking the Shimmerz Paint Vibes, I used Snow Man as my first color, and holding the spray bottle directly above the actual page so that I didn't spray underneath the stars. It gave a really nice mist from above, on top of the stars. Once removing them, obviously leaves some really nice star impressions. Taking another punch, I created a selection of really tiny stars. This is just to help create the second layer of pattern, of which I grabbed the Shimmerz Paints again colorings. Oh say you see, oh say can you see, sorry, I was off my tongue tied. And again, sprayed that liberally all over the page, creating a nice layered blue vibe, which is what I was after. Just removing that screw cap and pulling out the straw and then flicking it around the page gives you some nice splatters. I used a second color from Shimmerz Paints from their Vibes collection, Jenny Lee Blue, and that again just adds a different variety of blue shades to the background, creating some layers and a slight ombre effect. Now my background is finished. I'm really happy with the effect. I'm going to show you how I straighten out that paper, because sometimes even though one uses watercolor paper and background mediums, it still can warp a little. I just find that rolling it up in both directions really helps to get it nice and flat. Now what I'm going to do, without too much explanation, I'm just going to layer all the bits from the December 2017 kits, focusing on ephemera and tags, which came in the Crate Paper Tags pack, which was busting full. Again, it just makes layering so much easier when you're doing a page like this. Isn't that pom-pom frame from Crate Paper just adorable? I absolutely love it. I love that they're really 3D and fat, so it makes everything stand away beautifully from the page. It makes the page really nice and tactile and three-dimensional, and I love the effect it creates. Here I'm just using a really cute photo of Max. He was trying his dad's glasses on and horsing around, and of course I ended up with some super cute photos, which incidentally were perfect for this page. Again, I'm using tons of stickers and ephemera and chipboard stickers, which all came in both the main kit and the embellishment kit of the December hip kits. Now tell me you aren't loving the llama. I am loving that llama. I just thought we had to have a page, and then I thought it'll be so fun to have something like Llama Wisdom, because these kits and a lot of the ephemera and sticker packs that are coming through with the latest collections have so many sentiments. You know, they sort of feel good sentiments depending on whatever the theme is, and it it made sense that I try to use as many as possible on this page, because I just found that I had so many sentiments and stickers left over, even though I've done plenty of pages with this kit. So this type of page is an amazing way of utilizing loads of bits without the page looking too busy. These sentiment strips came in the Vicky Burton sticker sheets. Some of them are fabulous. Actually, they're all fabulous. So you'll find that I've actually used a whole bunch in this page. Now, in case you're confused about these blue alpha stickers, they weren't part of the December kits. They came in the October kits, but I absolutely loved this rich royal blue, and there were some sentiments and some bits that came both from Crate and from Vicky Burton with those colors. So I thought these blue alphas would really tie this page together nicely, and as well, you know, I know there's loads of pink, so I thought the blue would give it a nice boyish feel, as well as helped my color triangle, which you can clearly see now that you look at the page with the alphas attached. That was the Vicky Burton sticker sheet that I mentioned earlier. Here what I'm doing is just working with some of those sentiment strips, juggling some of the colors around. I thought maybe the actual solid colors worked better than the white background, so shifting those a little so that my balance is a little better. And then I felt that the little edge pieces were too long, so I eventually snipped those slightly. The shorter strips just looked a little better. These plus signs came in the glitter foam alphas. By scattering them around the page at 3 points, I've basically completed the glitter color triangle. And as you know, if you've watched some of my previous videos, I'm a stickler for my color triangles. And talking about triangles, I also felt that the page needed one more orange and yellow accent. So this little bird clip was the perfect way to finish things off exactly how I wanted. So yeah, my page is finished, and I'm really thrilled with the result. I have some close-ups coming now, so you can get a good look at the layers and all the dimension. I love the tactile feel of the final result. So if you're wanting one, grab yourself a December Hip Kit Club kit, either the main kit or the add-ons. There are still a few available. And thank you again for joining me. I've enjoyed sharing my process with you. Be sure to check back on my channel. There'll be more videos soon. Thanks, and have a fabulous creative day, friends. Bye-bye.